Oops. Okay.
Enable editing.
Okay. So we're looking at number 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
The correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength of the linear relationship, the direction and duration, the strength and reliability. I think it's number 1.
That's what we thought.
Okay, so thought I opened up my homework for that one too, but I guess not.
Okay, it says if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other one should decrease. Isn't that right with the negative?
Yep.
Okay. The effect of outliers on the correlation coefficient is not significant. That's false.
Oh, that is definitely false. Yeah.
The correlation coefficient between duration and weight of the Old Faithful data, your is, and your answer should be exact. Oh, but are they going to expect us to do it by hand or do it by?
Yeah. So we just have
do
to
it by the
plug
document?
in. Well, we have to just plug in the information into that that sheet. So because they didn't give us, even in the homework, they didn't give that to us, but they gave us the file. So if you guys opened up the Old Faithful file,
Yeah.
then we just have to plug it into the quantitative inference procedure.
Okay. We'll do
Where's
that.
that?
Right? That's what they
I would
did.
think. Yeah, I would think. Okay. Copy.
Why?
All right. Okay.
Okay, so do we put it into a, let's see.
So the correlation coefficient is 0.901.
Hold on. Where did you just put it into a 2 sample or paired sample?
No, there's an actual.
Oh, linear. There it is. Okay.
Yeah, linear.
Oh wait, where did it go?
It's after ANOVA.
It's in quantitative inference procedures.
Yep. Yep, it's right after the ANOVA. I just had gotten the wrong. Just a minute, Ryan. So, and we don't have to arrange these in any order, right? I don't remember them talking about anything like that. Do you know what I mean? Like we don't have to rearrange the data at all.
No, it's just the column X and the column Y.
Okay, that's what I. So I'm getting the correlation coefficient as where is the correlation coefficient on this thing?
It's under model summary. It's the R.
Oh yeah, 0.901.
Oh, there it is at the very front, or at the very top. Okay, so does it say to the third? Probably.
It does. It just says exact.
Okay, so 0.901, and the covariance. Where's is the covariance
it's the one that you do the multiplication, but so you could do it 2 different ways. It comes out with a different answer either way, but you take the 0.901, you multiply it by the SX, which is 1.139, and the SY, which is 13.595. They actually compute it right here, it's 13.9.
Oh, yeah. I see.
448,448, and they said to do it to the one decimal place, and so I think it's 13.9, if that's what you guys have.
Yeah. 'Cause if we did 14, that would not be to a decimal place,
No.
right? So 13.9.
Yeah, and that would say like round up to the whole number, to round to the whole number.
Okay.
You guys did 13.945.
No, just 13.9.
0.9, because they only want one decimal place.
Oh, that's a good catch.
Yeah, they don't usually do that, so they're trying to be tricky today.
I don't like that.
I know.
I know, it always feels wrong.
I know.
Deceptions of the devil.
Yeah, whoever creates these.
Okay. Associating the scatter plots with the correlation coefficient.
Okay.
Letter to each box. So, no A is going to be the +1.
Honey, no, I'm in a meeting right now. I can't right now. It's not time. I'm in a meeting. Buddy, I'm in a meeting.
So, 9 should be A.
Okay, I'm sorry. 8 was,
Well, I'm just going, starting at A. That's got to be the +1, or 1.0.
yeah, that's positive. Okay, where's the 1.0? Bowen, I'm sorry, my son is in here bothering me for lunch. It's only 10:30 in the morning. Okay, hold on.
I think E would be the 0.95. Or B, I mean.
Which D? No, D's going to be a -1.
No, B is in boy.
Oh, boy.
11, right?
Okay. Okay, so B looks like a pretty a strong positive, but not perfect. So it's going to be like like the 0.9, maybe not the 0.95. I think that's D.
Well, it can't be
that's negative. No.
It would have to be the negative 0.95. So I think B is 11.
B is 11. Yeah, I think you're right. And let's see, C.
It's got to be 8.
I think C is 8.
It's not going to be negative.
Yeah, and that's all over the place.
There's just no relationship. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
10.
D 10. Yeah.
D is 10. 10. Yeah, that seems right.
And E's got to be 12. -6 for F, right?
E.
I think E would be 12, and then F would be 13.
F is 13. Yeah, that makes sense.
Because there is a slight, ever so slight, but a slight downward, linear relationship there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have to go correlation coefficient between score and confidence of the math efficiency data. They didn't have us open that up. We're going to have to go find that and open it.
Yeah, it's in the living room. What? In the living room. There's roughly like that.
The coefficient score and confidence of the math self-efficacy.
What did they say the file was again? Math something? Math self-efficiency?
I don't remember this one. And all my notes are like gone.
No, well, we just have to enter in the data again and do the same thing. But what is the math self-efficiency? Okay. So you just have to go to BYUI math and open up the file.
Oh, okay. I was like, is this some kind of thing that they gave us? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're just opening up another document. Okay.
Yeah. And then we have to just replug it into.
I don't even see it in here.
It's like.
I see
it's
it.
in there.
Yeah.
Make sure you don't do the gender though. You're
Yeah.
copying and paste it. Just do the score and the
Score and confidence. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Hold on.
Correlation coefficient.
Okay.
Okay.
Copy.
That's the R, right? Is the correlation coefficient?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got that one. Whatever you
Yeah. Phil.
0.729.
Okay, I got something totally different. Let me try this again.
I've got
Can
some
you erase
extra
all of
data in
my
here.
data?
All right. Let's see.
Wait. Put this in.
I got 0.729. Did you guys get that? Okay.
Yeah, I must not have erased all my data from the other file before putting it in. 729.
Hey, silence. That's enough.
What else is it asking for anything else from that sheet?
The covariance. And I have, if it wants it to one decimal place again, which I don't know because I haven't looked, but 11.2.
It says 2 decimals.
This time's 2 decimals?
Yep.
Okay, well then it would be 11.21.
That feels like it's almost too easy.
Yeah, it does.
It always does these ones. It's not until the exam when we start thinking, oh, okay.
So I don't think we really had any questions about any of them, right?
No.
Let's go over 8 through 13 again, just to make sure that we got all the right.
Okay.
So
for number 8, we got C.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
looks like the most correct one.
Okay. Number 9 was A.
Yep.
Yes.
10 was D.
Yes.
Yep.
11 was B.
Yep.
Yeah.
12 was,
That's the
12 was
positive.
E.
Mm-hmm. 12E. Yeah.
13.
Yeah. And 13F.
Yeah, those are definitely right.
That seems right to me, like a negative 0.6. Yeah, because it's pretty moderate looking.
Okay.
Okay.
And then just to double check our numbers, so for the correlation coefficient, we had 0.729 for 14.
Mm-hmm.
And then 15, 11.21.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm just checking make sure I didn't transpose some numbers when I was putting it in. And then 6.901.
Yep.
And 7, 13.9.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
13.9, right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we did good, guys.
All right, submit.
We got 100. Woohoo!
Yay.
Yay.
That'll bump us up a quarter of a percentage point.
A tenth.
The 10th, yeah.
That was
That's a
funny
lot.
the other day. That's all I could get him to give me was like a tenth of a point on that.
I was so hopeful too when he was going through that first, guys.
David,
like,
yeah.
He's being really.
He was like giving him all sorts
generous
of stuff, and I was like, hey.
I know, and I had even gotten a couple of them wrong for the same reasons and the same problems that he got.
I know. And then when I said, oh, I think I got that wrong too, he's like, you're so negative. And I'm like, hey.
I did really get it wrong.
I really did get that one wrong. So.
Oh, that's funny.
I know, it was funny. I was like, ouch.
It's hard to believe this is really the last week.
Is
Well,
this?
Well, because next week is half of it's the exam, right?
Um,
So,
is it? Or is that the last week?
They don't. They just give us the evaluation. So our exam is,
Conclusion week?
oh, thank goodness, because we're going to still be on vacation. Oh, that is nice for me.
Yeah, there's project presentations next week.
So this week is just Phil, your thing, right?
Yeah.
And then, did you get the text, or not text, the email that I sent from what I submitted?
Yeah, but I didn't understand what was going on.
Yeah, I haven't done anything yet. I feel bad. I've just been so busy with other things, so I
no
haven't got to it. But,
So it sounds like Phil, from his comments on our collect the data sheet, I think he just, did you submit one, Phil?
I did.
I don't know if he just took one of ours or the culmination of ours.
it definitely wasn't mine because he talked about
Yeah,
the cheat thing, and I never sent that in. So
Yeah. I did the cheat thing because that's what we were talking about, and I did my Excel, my regular Excel spreadsheet too. So.
yeah, he must have just taken one.
Must have taken mine, because I think I'm the only one who added all that extra stuff then, and since that's what we got marked down for, it sounds like. I'll find out, or I'll ask him if, because it doesn't seem fair that we should be marked down for having more than
Too much. Yeah.
right. But anyway,
So should I just do the regular Excel spreadsheets that we did this in?
well, no, because we have to do Kai. He was just saying that in our comments that the reason he marked us down is because we had more than needed information.
And he wanted just like
And
simple data.
The information that we had submitted was really the describe the data information. So you can take that and just, use it, because it's correct information. It's just he was saying that that was really what that we need for describe the data.
Okay. And this is due by Saturday, right?
Say that again?
It's due on Saturday, yeah.
Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, I haven't looked at what they specifically asked for in describe the data, but if we want to go over that Thursday, maybe we can, just to make sure we're not adding too much information, or the information for make inferences and describe the data. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering what he wants for the PowerPoint presentation. Like if he wants like each step, like in the slideshow, or.
I think we just need to ask him, because I don't want to get. I mean, we understand what we're doing. It's just a matter of, I guess, presenting it not too much, not in just the right quantity.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if what we're supposed to be doing with that, because I probably need to get started on it, like this week maybe sometime. So
I can't make the meetings this week, but I'll at least email as far as the collect the data thing, and then and I'll let you guys. I'll either forward his response or I'll just tell everybody on Thursday. But and in that email I can ask him what specifically, are we looking for, because I don't think, I remember looking at all of one of the individual steps and reading them when we first were looking at the project, like it was week 3 or 4 or something, but I don't remember what the details were. So if we can, I think we should just ask him specifically, are you looking for basically a visual of each one of the steps that we've gone throughout the whole, the whole process? Anyway.
Sounds good.
Well, we'll see you guys on Thursday.
Okay.
Sounds good. All right. See you guys then. Bye-bye.
Hello. You guys are up so early.